let's
head that way.
Let's head that way. All right. So we stayed all night at the Red Roof Inn in Jackson, Ohio, and so far, very nice hotel. They've done a good job at upgrading it. All right. Oh, that sun feels good. I think I've made a good choice. Go on. Go on.
Turn right on AP Avenue.
I like that.
I do too.
I know. I want to put that sticker on the back of this thing so bad. That big American flag sticker.
Yeah.
I love that. I think it's so cool, and it's very, very unique. Nobody has. Oh, that wind feels good. 74 degrees. What is it? The third day of spring now?
I believe so.
Then turn right on US 35 West.
Brian's Way.
Brian's Way, is that what it
That's
said?
what it said. Brian's Way. It was spelled wrong.
Yeah.
But, see it?
Spelled like a genius. An evil genius there, Brian. That's right. With my little friend Pinky.
Yep.
That's right. Thinking of brother Brian.
That's what I thought too when I saw the eye.
Love it. Like there's somebody's smoker thing laying on the ground.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. All right, let's go. Welcome to Jackson County, everybody. We're off on a beautiful morning ride. 74 degrees. There's the hotel we stayed at, honey. It was nice. It's an older hotel, but it was very nice. I was quite impressed with it.
Besides the cat food smell.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah. It's going to be time for memory cards for these cameras. I might even choose to do, is this our exit? 142B. All right. Let's, very weird. Alright. Okay. Well, so far the upgraded suspension mod was really nice. And knock on wood, we haven't thrown another water pump code. Come on, Stinky.
But we still got, wow!
Oh,
I
sorry.
do one for an emergency.
Yeah, oh yeah, well, it's bound to fail, so. It's only a matter of time before it does, and it's like money in the bank too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I could post it online and it'd be gone like that in just a matter of moments. Oh, the sheriff's Rio Grande. Hey, there we go. We've been there, but I wish we would have really went there on the trike. But we can do that when we have more of a different itinerary. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Because I'd like to go back and actually check out the farm and all that stuff for Bob Evans. Because it's only a couple miles that way. Okay, speed limit's what, 60 right here, I think? Yeah, oh, this is nice. Glad I made the decision to get over and take that jacket off.
Yeah.